Let's look at a typical approach for how I treat something like angina using Chinese herbal medicine. So, angina is chest pain or discomfort that is caused by your heart muscle not receiving enough oxygen due to poor blood flow. This is very, very common in people with advanced heart issues. It can be very, very painful, and sometimes it is managed very well with medication. Sometimes it's not very managed very well. Typically, when it's not managed well is when people find their way into my clinic. So the first thing I start with, I use an herbal pair called Maodong Qing and Shen. There's a ton of research on these specifically for how they actually dilate blood vessels in the heart to actually improve blood flow into the heart muscle. That's very important. Now, I add another herb called Sanqi that actually pairs with Shen as well. And there's a bunch of research on this herbal pair specifically in the treatment of angina. Works extremely well and gets people out of pain very, very quickly. Now, to the fact that there is a more advanced problem going on that is leading to this angina, I will typically add an herbal formula along with these called the Shuifu. This is an herbal formula that has been used for a very, very long time. I mean, hundreds, if not more than 1,000 years. And basically, the research shows that it actually improves cardiac ischemia, which is a lack of oxygen to the heart muscle. Now, it also has been found to lower plasma cholesterol levels and is very, very effective. And I love this, very effective in helping people with things like anxiety and insomnia. And now almost all of my heart disease patients have anxiety and insomnia. So improving these makes them feel better, and it helps the entire treatment process. I will typically add one other formula along with this called Wendan. This is a kind of an incredible formula. It's also fantastic for insomnia and anxiety, but it helps in lowering blood lipid levels. There's research on it showing that it helps in reducing inflammatory markers. Fantastic if you're also a diabetic, because it's been found to help with microcirculation problems found in diabetics. Some of the research shows that it actually helps in protecting the vascular lining, the inside of your blood vessels, and it actually has an improvement on blood rheology. This is how well blood flows, how thick blood is. It actually has a regulatory effect on this. So this is a very typical combination that I would use for somebody with angina and an advanced heart disease.